Good morning, Anarchy. How are you guys doing? This is Tracy, your host, and here are 4 reasons I am a fan of Entropy. Now, I've been debating about how to do this, so let's just go with this. 1. Human behavior. Humans will have to change their behavior. Once a society collapses, people change their behavior. They learn that it's not all me. There's other people involved here. 2. The end of government-funded terrorism. Over the week, we've seen that one Russian activist that died in prison. Well, apparently it was natural causes. Was it? Wasn't it? I don't know. It's not my business. But we put sanctions on Russia again because of that. Yeah, because the others have been so successful. Not. Which brings me to 3. A social collapse, entropy level, will mean the end of governments. Imagine no American government, no Canadian government telling you what you can and can't say. Nobody trying to policing your pronouns anymore. That will stop. Which brings me to number 4, rebuilding society as God intended it to be. I have come across article after article after article on how people with traditional values are moving to Russia. I grew up during the era when it was USSR. It was atheist. You did not equate Russia with freedom to be religious. But they are now. No, yeah, they've had 2 world wars, they've had a civil war, they've had famine, they've had all kinds of stuff. They have learned what does and doesn't work. And they're not doing what does not work. Go over and check out a channel called Countryside Acres. It's a Canadian couple. I can't remember how many kids they have because they have more than 4. But they have migrated to Russia, looking to set up a farm. That means future generations of their family are going to be Russian. They're going to have traditional values. And that's a good thing. Look at us here in America. Once again, this is why I'm a fan of Entropy. What about you?